morning, everyone. So my name is Cynthia, and I decided to talk about the Ecuador culture. One location in Ecuador is the Galapagos Island. One interesting fact is that Charles Darwin studied his theory of evolution because of the delicate and unique nature this island has to offer. So if you love nature, great views, and animals, this will be a great place for you to visit while you're in Ecuador. So I was raised and born in Ecuador, so I had the great opportunity to try some of the food and experience some of the traditions. So let's have a little adventure and discuss the amazing things Ecuador has to offer for you. So the Galapagos Island. The Galapagos Island is a location that you would like to spend with your loved ones and gather many memories. Galapagos has many activities and animals you can enjoy and see. For example, one of the activities is that you can swim with a dolphin. And some of the animals you can see is the marine iguana, penguins, blue-footed bobby, and many others like you see in the pictures. They're most known for the Galapagos forests because they're really big. They're 5 feet and 550 pounds. One interesting fact about this island is George, because he was the most famous resident because he was the only giant pinta turtle left on Earth. But sadly, he died in 2012. Now, there are many places you can see in the Galapagos Islands, and these are some of the great places to go because of the great views and animals. You can visit the Charles Darwin Research Station, the Tortuga Bay, and the Black Turtle Cove. Now, if you love food, we all love food. So sometimes trying something different, you might like it. So Ecuador has to offer their famous plate hornado, which is basically roasted pork that is it's served with potato patties, tomato, onions, avocado, and agrio sauce. Also, if you're feeling a little bit cold, you can always warm up with their morocho with empanadas, which morocho is basically a thick drink that contains milk, corn, cinnamon, sugar, and raisins. Also, empanadas are deep fried, like you see on the bottom picture. They basically contain cheese inside, or you might have it with beef or chicken. It really depends on what you like. Now, if you had a crazy night and you have a hangover, this is basically the medicine they use, which is a plate, it's called ceviche, which is basically a type of soup that contains lime, cilantro, onions, garlic, fish, or shrimp. It's also served with a little bit of snacks, which contains popcorn, chips, and chulpi. Chulpi is a traditional snack from Ecuador, which is basically toasted corn nuts that is served as a snack. Traditions. Traditions are a really big important part on your culture, and in Ecuador they have El Día de los Difuntos, which basically means it's a celebration to remember those who we have lost. In these days, families gather around and make this typical food, which is guaguas de pan and colada morada. Guaguas de pan is basically sweet bread, like in the bottom picture. In this day, when you do it with your family, you basically decorate it together. Colada morada is a purple corn drink, like in the first picture, that you do it all together. In this day, you go to the cemetery and see the persons you have lost, you spend a little bit of time there and just talk to each other. Now, sadly, we have come to our end, but I just want to go a little bit review. We basically learned about the most famous location in Ecuador, which is food, which is Galapagos, sorry. And then food basically describes their culture and country, and we also learned about a special tradition that represents Ecuador. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Thank you.